सो माननीय शिक्षा मंत्री आज के इस आयोजन के मुख्य अतिथि हैं। तो जैसे कि परंपरा है, इस अनावरण के बाद मेरा अनुरोध होगा उनसे कि इस शुभ अवसर पे वो हमें दो शब्द कहें। माननीय मंत्री जी।
मनीष ठाकुर। Good evening, friends. My dear Sanjay Murthy ji, Secretary Higher Education Department, Sri Sri Krishna Kulkarni ji, Chairperson Board of Governance, Sri Ashish Chauhan ji, Member BOG, Sri Ajay Jain ji, Member BOG, Professor Saibal Chattopadhyay ji, Director in Charge, Professor Manish Thakur, Dean, New Initiative and External Relations, Professor Paul, faculty, staffs and my dear students. I am happy, one of the oldest institute of our country, management institute, not only oldest, the premier management institute of our country, IIM Kolkata, is going for a new look. Beginning we have made today. I am happy just now Professor Saibal Chattopadhyay with Puja has completed a ceremony, put foundation stone for a new hostel of 726 room capacity with spending of around 250 crore. And I am told the new campus has been envisioned by none else than the eminent architect of our country, Mr. Hafiz Contractor. This must be, just now we overlooked the walkthrough of the new look of the campus. Since last 6 decades, IIM Kolkata has done its duty, fulfilled its responsibility. Many administrators, many business tycoon, many business authority leadership has been produced from this eminent institution. Many entrepreneurs are also there from this eminent institutions. All have contributed in different way for betterment of this institution. Friends, we are all committed to create a quality campus life in IIM Kolkata. Now with 2 days back I was at Mumbai. In early 60s, one of the expert committee was envisioned for setting up IIM at 2 places. Certainly one at financial capital of country, Mumbai, and another was at the heritage center of our country. When I am talking about mentioning heritage, heritage means civilizational point, trade and commerce, industry and economic hub. Kolkata has many features, and rightly Kolkata has chosen as one of the IIM place. Kolkata was fortunate to have an IIM since last 6 decades, but recently, last year only we could create an IIM institution, converting NITI to IIM through a parliamentary enactment. Now, the recommendation was there 60 years ago. Now, at 2023 we could achieve. Now their IIM number is at 2 digit. Some of the IIM are doing IIM Bangalore, IIM Kozhikode, IIM Jammu, IIM Sambalpur. Some of new IIM are also doing good. IIM Indore, IIM Lucknow is one of the old institution, but none are compared with IIM Kolkata. Kolkata has its own heritage. Kolkata has its own challenges also. My young friends, we are at a very unique time, very important time. Just 2 days ago, 3 days ago, we have completed 75th year of our constitutional amendment, constitutional adoption day. 75 years ago, on the 26th January, we have adopted the present constitution for its implementation, and in 2021-22 we have completed 75th years of our independence. From this Amrita period, now Prime Minister Modi has given us a target for Amrita Kal, for next 25 years. By 2047, we have to be a developed country. We are talking about for a vision of developed country. I am confident today, those who are here as a student, they must be at the age group of 20. The next 24 years, 25 years, they will be at their peak of their career. They will be leading in the different front. Somebody will be in the market, somebody will be as a being good entrepreneur, somebody may be a global thought leader. 21st century is going to be a knowledge-based economy, knowledge-based society, and management practice, best management practice is a solution today, and that will be multifold. More expectation and requirement will be there from the management process by next 24 years, 25 years. That means more responsibility, more duty has to be taken care by IIM Kolkata. IIM Kolkata is not an institution, it's a culture, it's a benchmark, it's a standard. How do we create a management, Indianized management process? When I'm talking about Indianized, now looking into size of our economy, looking into the prediction of Indian economy for next 2 decades. When all are talking about developed country, that means our economy size will be around 30 billion by 2047. Today, we are at 4 trillion. That will be 30 trillion. Let me amend myself. By 2047, it will be 30 trillion, and today we are 4 trillion. Just imagine, by next 25 years, from 4 to 30, the first requirement will be quality management process, quality management personnel. All will not come from the IIM ecosystem, but certainly IIM will create the benchmark for our requirement. In last few years as a minister, when I visited a different part of the globe, whether it is any city of USA, whether it is Dubai or Abu Dhabi, whether it is Singapore, whether it is Tokyo, I found IIM alumni as in a driving point. They are driving the respective economy to create more value. Those who have learned good things from the different IIMs. I am not talking about other quality management institutions of a country. There are also some good quality management institutions in our country. But today, IIM is the collective manifestation of common person of India, common citizen of India. IIM is a very successful model. Friends, we have to take this challenge as an opportunity. In Industrial Revolution 1.0, we could not understand what happened in those days because we are the slavery, we are the not independent. In the Industrial Revolution 2.0, we became manual labor force. On our hard workmanship, the economy grew, but we are at the receiving end, we remain as a labor force. In the Industrial Revolution 3.0, we became supervisors. We became low-end service provider. But friends, in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, this is our opportunity. Being a knowledge civilization, Being a knowledge society, we have to lead it from the front. With this expectation, with a quality campus life, with global standard ambience, I wish all the success to IIM Kolkata. It would have been better if I would have been there in person, but due to pressing demand of time, Parliament is on. Today, we have to attend the presidential speech of 2024 in the first day of Parliament. Tomorrow, budget will be there, so I could not attend this function in person. I beg apology, but I wish very soon I will be visiting the campus. My congratulations to students, faculty members and BOG members. Thank you, friends. Namaskar.